It's late night and you're starving. Maybe you had a busy evening or just done with late work at home. Perhaps you can't sleep, overthinking, or because your stomach won't stop growling. Whatever the reason is, you're heading to the kitchen in search for something light, healthy, and quick to prepare. The search is over. I have not one, but two good-for-you options, which are both satisfying and loaded with nutritions that can even help promote sleep. My banana oatmeal raisin cookies and peanut butter oatmeal cookies are my midnight go-to gluten-free and refined sugar-free cookies, which are super easy to prepare and you don't even need a conventional oven. Just pop them in an oven toaster for a few minutes and that's it. Enjoy them with your cold, non-fat milk. The ingredients for our oven toaster banana oatmeal raisin cookies are the following. The ingredients of the day will also be placed in the description below. Half a cup whole oats, half a cup oatmeal flour. If you don't have oatmeal flour, you can just blend some whole oats to get the flour. 2 overly ripe bananas. The riper the banana, the sweeter your cookies will turn out. 1/4 cup raisins. This will add more fiber and sweetness to the cookies since we won't be adding additional sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla to enhance the flavors. Now let's combine all the ingredients. In a bowl, peel your 2 ripe bananas and mash them with a fork. Place in the vanilla, the whole oats, the oatmeal flour, and the raisins. Mix them all together manually till they are thoroughly combined. Then place it in the fridge for a few minutes to make the dough a little firm and make it easier to handle when molding the cookies. Let's start baking our banana oatmeal raisin cookies. Brush a little melted butter on your tray to prevent the cookies from sticking to the tray. Once the dough is ready, use a scooper and scoop the dough and form them into balls and place them on your buttered tray. By using your scooper, the cookies will all be in uniform sizes. This will make the cookies bake evenly. After forming the balls on the tray, press each one of them slightly to flatten them. Make sure they are an inch apart on the tray. Then set your oven toaster to 7 minutes. The first minute is to warm up the toaster oven. Place the cookies in the oven toaster to bake. If you want your cookies a little chewy, you can set your toaster to a shorter period. Once the cookies are slightly golden brown, you can bring them out to cool down on the tray. Then you can transfer the cookies to a rack or a colander to further cool down. Let's start with our peanut butter banana oatmeal cookies. We will be needing the following ingredients: 1 cup whole oats, 1 cup oatmeal flour, half a cup creamy peanut butter, the one with less salt, 2 overly ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons pure honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Let's now combine all the ingredients, starting from the wet ingredients. Peel and mash the ripe bananas. Place in peanut butter, honey, and mix them all together. Place in cinnamon powder, then mix. Place in the oatmeal flour, the whole oats, and mix them till a dough is formed. Then you can place it in the fridge for a few minutes to firm up. Once your dough is firmed, you can start forming your cookies using the same procedure as our banana oatmeal raisin cookies. set the oven toaster to only 6 minutes since they tend to cook quicker than the banana oatmeal raisin cookies. The first minute is to heat the toaster up. Once done, cool them the same way. I was able to make 8 banana oatmeal raisin cookies and 8 peanut butter oatmeal cookies with my ingredients. There you have it, the 2 healthiest midnight snack recipe ever. It's gluten-free, refined sugar-free, but still deliciously sweet. They are full of nutrients, fiber, healthy fats, and proteins to keep you satisfied through the night. These oatmeal cookies are super chewy, soft, and appetizing. Have them with a cold, low-fat milk, and you have the perfect, healthy midnight snack. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!